the national security laws actually make clear in their opening stages that the traditional rights and freedoms which suspects enjoy in the general criminal trials in common law jurisdictions will also apply in national security trials, which is profoundly reassuring. But of course, all common law jurisdictions have national security laws of their own. And indeed, Hong Kong's are closely modelled on some of the laws of the other countries. For example, a year before Hong Kong's latest national security law, the Safeguarding National Security Ordinance, was enacted, in 2024, the United Kingdom enacted its own National Security Act, which has been described by some people as draconian. And Hong Kong carefully studied the UK model, and indeed models in other places, before deciding on the format of its own national security proposals. And indeed, it's very interesting to actually compare the Hong Kong law with the United Kingdom law. And for example, the law on sabotage bears an uncanny resemblance. Other laws are also very similar to the UK laws, for example, covering spying and espionage and using computer crime to endanger national security, and the laws on extraterritoriality, that's chasing people in other jurisdictions who are threatening the particular places' national security. So to a great extent, Hong Kong's own national security laws are modelled on those of the West, and there's no need for people to have any particular concerns because they are aligned to the common law jurisdictions which have introduced them elsewhere. And I think as well that it's right to say that in our criminal trials, the traditional common law procedures are always used, irrespective of whether the case involves general crime or national security laws. And in terms of procedure and findings of guilt and right to test prosecution witnesses and right to give and call evidence by defendants, there is actually no difference whatsoever between national security trials and other types of criminal trials. So people need have no concerns in that area, and it is particularly reassuring, I suggest, that Hong Kong is so closely aligned in terms of its national security law procedures to the rest of the common law world.